So you see how big this box is, because I feel like I needed this. Now this is how big that light behind, because if I do this you won't be seeing, but this is how it looks like, and this is the light of this remote. It has this case in good lighting. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shakie, my love, and today we have an unboxing video. Guys, I'm so excited to share this with you, because most of you actually have been asking me, but let me tell you the secret. I just use a phone. I actually don't have a camera. I don't have a vlogging camera. I don't have a sit down camera. I don't have a camera, but I use my phone. Yes, my phone is good. I use a phone. It is Samsung Galaxy A71. That's the phone that I'm using now. I know it is, yes, it is a big deal for me to have such a phone, because when I was starting my actually filming journey, that I had an Infinix. Of course, it made me start, and it took me somewhere before I got this phone, because you know phones can be expensive, especially Samsung, iPhones and all that. So well, I wanted to upgrade, because these days I'm doing a lot of sit down videos, so I wanted to upgrade my filming, of course my content. I wanted to upgrade it to get a good audio. Of course, like the audio matters, the picture matters, the thumbnails, the quality of the video, everything matters. But of course you don't have to buy a camera if you don't have money to buy a camera. Now I know it is important to have it, but if you don't have it, of course you can be using your phone. Now recently I've been getting many comments about which kind of camera am I using, but the answer is I don't have a camera. So recently I decided, I think 3 months ago, I decided to upgrade to buy microphones, because you know, for those who know me on a personal level, they know that I have a soft voice. My voice is low, and you used to complain a lot. So I decided to buy a microphone. Actually there are 2 microphones, and the good thing about the microphones that I got, they can work on both iPhone and Android. So I got a microphone first, and I'm glad I did. I bought a filming light, and that is going to be our big baby. Today we are unboxing it. But before we go into that, I had a tripod that I'm using. Actually I'm using it here. It's holding my phone, but I've had it for like 2 years now. Yes, it was expensive by the time I bought it, and I think I've not got any type that is good as it is. But it started to fade, and I felt like it wasn't giving me enough light that I wanted, or like it used to do before. So I decided to save up some money and to go for something that I would be proud of. That's why you're seeing my videos currently, they are so nice, they are on point, like the light is on point, the audio is on point, because I chose to invest in it. Something that I plan to take on as I want to be a full-time content creator, and for me to bring out something that I wanted or that I want, of course I have to invest in it. So I decided to save up some money. I know it took me so long, but of course I achieved it. So I bought light, and this is the light that I bought. Actually now I'm using this light, but I'm going to show it to you after explaining everything about it. So you see how big this box is. Now this is how big that light is. The way, like the size of this box is the size of the light that I'm using right now. I know it is big, but it's something that I wanted to do. I didn't want to buy light for I didn't want to buy it and then after 3 months I buy another light. That's why I decided to invest in something that is big and something with quality, like with a good quality. So I went to town from a shop that I bought this from. I will leave his number. He's a good guy, and he gave me this light. Like I was looking for this, like there are these lights like that look like books. That's what I'd gone for, but when I found this, it was actually better. It was more expensive, but it was better. So I decided to go for this because I felt like it was better. Now when I turn like this, just like the showing you, it has 3 lights. It has the white light. Now other lights are not looking like this, though this is, no, it's not like this. It has white, it has warm, and then it has white, like pure white, that is which I'm using right now. For the setting, it depends on what you want, like the kind, how you want your video to turn out, but it has like 3 lights, and you can increase it, you can reduce it. So it has 3 lights, and actually I don't know, but I'm proud of me, so proud of me. So this is how it looks like. It is called LED fill light square photography. So if you need this light, I'm going to leave the guy's number. He sells gadgets, lights, and all that, like everything, phones, everything. When it comes to filming, he has everything, like a lot. Now it comes with this remote. You can actually, it has this remote, and you buy these cells. So the remote, the importance of this remote is to set you up. Of course you can use the switch behind, but of course you control this light with a remote, everything with this remote. It has this K for color. That's when you change the colors. Let me show you. You see that is how it changes the color. You see that now it has changed, and that is the last one, the last color. So you can, this is what I was using. So you can increase it or you can decrease it. So it depends on how you want your video to come out. So guys, this is how this light looks like. Let me reduce it so that you can see it well. So this is how it looks like. I've decided to put it, to make it face behind, because if I do this you won't be seeing, but this is how it looks like, and this is the light. Of course I've reduced it, but yeah, this is how big it is, and I think I love it for someone who is after good content. Of course you should invest in good lighting. So it is really long, and this is how the stand looks like. Let me show you. Can reduce it, and it has a stable stand, and this is how the stand looks like. It is really hard, it is strong enough, because this light is very strong. Yeah, because the light is very strong, and yeah, the stands are very strong. So that is what I had for you today, guys, and I hope you loved it. I hope you got something to learn from this, and I wanted to show you this. Beside this light, I had bought this because I felt like I needed it. Now for the type of content that I'm creating, especially the hauls, I really want to go extra mile to create some content outdoors, and I felt like I needed this because my tripod, my primary tripod, does not really, it's not so good for it to move out, because the ring light and then the stand are together. You can't separate them, and if you separate, of course you don't have a space where you can put the phone. So I decided to buy this because it is very flexible, and it is portable actually enough for you to travel with, and you can take really good pictures and good content out there, like, yeah, with it. So this is how it looks like after dismantling everything. So I think I love it because you can travel with it. Literally you can travel with this outdoors, and you create content without feeling like you're carrying bulky things. So that is what I had for you today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and love you guys. Bye.